Hey everyone, welcome to another live from the workshop, and we're going to be doing another quick easy custom today, and this is going to be a blue shirted 10th Doctor. Now this is the elderly Doctor figure, and for those of you that don't know, this figure actually came with an already painted blue shirt and tie. Sorry if that's a bit blurry, but yeah, the pattern is slightly different. Now these figures are quite rare. And just to dissuade any comments and things, I bought this loose. It's already got some markings on it, and the head is already quite loose. And I actually do have one that is boxed. So this was originally my only one I had unboxed, but the boxed one, I thought I'll keep it just because it's, you know, it's boxed, and it means that I don't feel too bad about dismantling this one. So now the head, I might just be able to. Come on. There we go. Yeah, see, it's pretty much already broken. The hands, I think they're just going to pull off. That's nice and easy. Thought they might be ones that slotted in. I can't get this one off though. Ooh, there we go. So, simple hand swap. Put these ones in. Might have to trim these down. Come on. That's one in. Trim off the other one. If you can hear laughing in the background, it's my girlfriend. I apologise for that. I did warn her, and she's probably going to have a go at me when I tell her that you can hear her snorting in the background, but I warned her, it's her own fault. Can't get this hand in. Oh, go on. Go on. Can't get the hand in. I have to clip the edge of it off. There we go. And now, with just a simple bit of hot glue, and then this is the head from the Pentalion version of the 10th Doctor. Just pop that in there. Trim off a bit of excess glue. And voila! One young version of the blue shirted 10th Doctor. Yeah. That's a nice, simple, easy custom. If you've got one of these figures loose, actually, let me rephrase that. If you've got a spare one of these figures loose, these figures are quite rare, so I wouldn't do this if you've only got one, especially if you've got it boxed. But if you have one spare, perhaps you've got two, pick the most scruffy one, and you can do this yourself. Yeah, it's come out quite well. As always, like, favourite, subscribe, share. It really helps me out a lot, and I shall see you all with another video very soon.